Hello everyone, I am Hena Talati. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Tropical storm Calvin to bring heavy rain, strong winds to Hawaii in United States. Calvin, a tropical storm sweeping across the central Pacific Ocean, is expected to scrape to the south of the Hawaii's Big Island and Maui from Tuesday night into the Wednesday, unleashing heavy rain, gusty winds and dangerous surf. Although the storms will pass just south of the islands, many of them will feel its effects. As of the early Tuesday, Calvin loomed about 300 miles southeast of the Big Island and 500 miles from the Honolulu and was headed briskly westward at 22 miles per hour. High surf, damaging winds, and potential flooding, tweeted the National Weather Service office in Honolulu, and the tropical storm warnings are in effect for the Big Island, where the storm will make its closest pass. It is forecast to be inundated with the 4 to 8 inches of the rain and up to 10 inches on its windward side, according to the National Hurricane Center. This rainfall could lead to localized flash flooding and mudslides, the Hurricane Center warned. Heavy rain and pockets of the flooding could also affect Maui, Molokai, Lanai, and Kahului, which are under the flood watches through the Wednesday afternoon. Teams across the islands are urging residents to prepare emergency kits and plan for possible evacuation because of the high water. Calvin is not particularly a tropical storm. On Tuesday, its peak winds dipped from 50 to 45 miles per hour, but Hawaii's Emergency Management Agency warned that the blustery gusts over 40 miles per hour could whip the Big Island. Power outages are also possible, according to the Maui County's Emergency Management Agency. Wind gusts on Maui could reach 50 miles per hour or even higher near the mountain peaks. Across all of the Hawaiian Islands, the storm threatens to bring crashing waves of up to 10 to 15 feet with the roughest surf on the east-facing shores. The storm, which was Category 3 hurricane Friday, has steadily weakened while moving over the cooler water and encountering hostile upper-level winds. Cool waters and dry, stable air could cause the storm to weaken further, said the meteorologist at the Central Pacific Hurricane Center in Hawaii. By the weekend, the storm is expected to dissipate. Tropical storms and hurricanes occasionally affect Hawaii, but are not frequent. It's not common that the storms will hit the Hawaiian Islands every year. Hawaii's tropical storm season spans from June to November and generally peaks in August. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.